to start using the online payments facility, start with the Payments option. Now let's say I want to add a few charges. Consultation and dressing. I will now add my charges to both of them. You can also preset these charges if they are fixed.
Now click on Request Online Payment red color button to generate a payment link. If you have not set the mobile number of patient, you can add the number. If the number is already set, it will show up in this section. Click on Generate Payment Link button. You will see the generated link in a share option. Then choose the method to share, say WhatsApp and share the link to pay. Patient can now pay using debit card, credit card, net banking or UPI. You can view the status of this payment under Reports section at the top of Patient list. Then choose View History and View Online Payment section. This payment will be marked as outstanding until the patient pays. Once the payment is received, this payment will be marked as paid. The link shared with patient will stay active for 24 hours.